Did you know there are companies right here in the Lehigh Valley using futuristic technologies to manufacture products? Protocam creates prototypes and manufactures plastic products for many industries, including aerospace, automotive, 3D architecture, toys, and they even create individualized body parts for implants. Protocam provides excellent job opportunities for Lehigh Valley workers in this ever-expanding field of additive manufacturing.
Hi, I'm Ron Belknap. I'm the president and CEO and founder of Protocam. Well, number one is I want to make sure my employees are taken care of. Secondly, I want to make sure that we take care of our customers because we do provide first-class customer service. We focus more on rapid manufacturing. We start out as a rapid prototyping company, and we're transitioning into a rapid manufacturing company where we actually make end-use parts versus prototypes.
My name is Bob Holbrook, and I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing here at Protocam. I see explosive growth over the next 5 to 10 years and look forward to leading that effort. Doing all the 3D printing and additive manufacturing and being part of the Industry 4.0 industrial revolution is a really neat thing.
Hello, my name is Ed Graham. I am the Vice President of Additive Manufacturing here at Protocam. So the work environment here at Protocam is great. Our company culture is awesome. We really strive to have a lot of fun. We do absolutely work very hard as a team, but we do actually get some time to play hard as well. I do see us potentially getting into metal 3D printing, but there's still a lot of education that needs to happen. That's the most challenging part of the business for me, is making sure we get the customer educated.
Protocam is ushering in the future of manufacturing with its innovative technologies and practices. Remember the name Protocam for excellence in additive manufacturing.